All right. We have Shasikala's lawyer on the phone line. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on CNN News 18. Can you explain to our viewers why there is a difference in what your client has submitted in an affidavit before the commission and what Dr. Sivakumar has said before the commission?
Sir, according to me, there is no such contradiction of Dr. Sivakumar. And I also am not aware of the fact. What is the contradiction you people are raising? Really, I don't know. Point number one.
Contradiction number one. Sivakumar says that he received a call from Poise Garden, and that's when he received a call from Shasikala from Poise Garden, and that's when he rushed to Poise Garden, and that's when he discovered Jayalalitha in obvious discomfort, and they decided to take her to Apollo Hospital. Shasikala, in her affidavit, makes no mention of this phone call, simply says that Dr. Sivakumar landed up there. That's basic contradiction number one. Contradiction number two, Sivakumar says at the time that Jayalalitha fainted on the 22nd of September 2016, there were two other attendants or domestic help who he did not up until that day, but they were identifiable. They were present when she fainted. Shasikala makes no mention of these two helps. Number three, there are different sets of facts that people have, both of them have said, in the ambulance that drove Madam into Apollo Hospital. There are some basic, contradictions there in the statements recorded by both people. I just want to know if you have any clarification as to why.
First, I deny that there is a contradiction on the part of Sasikala's affidavit. As far as 8B notice served on Sasikala through the commission, she has filed an affidavit. The rest of the witnesses, chief examination, were recorded by the commission, at the different point of time. And whereas there can be two views, but the entire point is that on 22nd September, Jayalalitha fainted and she was rushed to Apollo Hospital. That is the fact. That is undisputed fact. There is no such contradiction as a counsel who have conducted cross-examination of nearly more than 30 witnesses, not only Dr. Sivakumar and government doctors and various other witnesses, that is Chief Secretary, advisor to the government and officer on special duty and various secretaries of Jayalalitha. Everyone has deposed and there is no such contradiction according to me, and that is part of evidence. It is not my view. That is part of evidence. There is no such contradiction and there is no undisputed fact that she was admitted in hospital, and there can be minor contradiction which will not affect the case. Even according to Dr. Sivakumar, he has deposed that at the time when Jayalalitha was fainted, he was away from the room and he was calling Apollo Hospital and deputing a person to bring the nebulizer. And this is the fact deposed by the Dr. Sivakumar. And Sasikala Madam also, she has stated very categorically, and in which she has stated Sivakumar rushed into the room once Jayalalitha was fainted. So according to me, I deny that there is any contradiction, sir.
Sir, in the personal deposition that Sivakumar has made, he makes a mention of a phone call from Shasikala. That's why he rushed to Poise Garden. He makes a mention of two attendants who were there in the room when Jayalalitha fainted. Shasikala makes no mention of that in her affidavit. He mentions how she had reportedly woken up. Shasikala's affidavit says that she had regained consciousness in the ambulance and asked where she was being taken to. Shasikala's affidavit also talks about people outside the ICU when she was wheeled out. I mean, there are obvious differences in the statements that have been recorded from the two persons who were there with Madam when she fainted. Why is there not a contradiction to you?
Sir, you are partly correct. Sasikala Madam has called Dr. Sivakumar, but at the time and not in the night. Dr. Sivakumar has visited Jayalalitha Madam in Poise Garden for 3 times in the same day. So this phone call is, it is not pertaining to that particular incident. And moreover, I absolutely, at this stage, I deny that there is contradiction on the part regarding even the persons who are waiting, outside the next room away from the ICU. There is no such contradiction. Chief Secretary, advisors, everybody has categorically deposed that Jayalalitha came out and she met everyone. She spoke to all the officers or secretaries, and she only had asked to just avoid such rumors. Inform the public that I am not well. What is the root cause for this? This has been in part of evidence of Mr. Ram Mohan Rao. So there is, according to me, as a counsel of Sasikala, V.K.Sasikala, and the counsel throughout appearing in the commission, there is no such contradiction at all, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr.
these are the basic facts that we are placing before our viewers.